How to fix your account has not been charged in Roblox. So if you want to fix your account has not been charged in Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your browser, and on your browser you need to go with search. Under search you need to search for status.roblox.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now if you have anything that says multiple components are down, or if you have this orange color or yellow color or red color interface, that means that your status is not working properly. But if you have all systems operational, which means that your system is working properly, it's not about the system issue. But if you have any interface which says service disruption, then you just need simply go and wait for a few hours or a few minutes, and after that again reload this page, go with Roblox status, and once you get this green color interface, once it says all systems operational, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.